Your first step in creating your dream doll, your snuggle buddy, your BFF, is designing it. I want you to close your eyes and think. Think about how old is your doll? What makes it extraordinary? What's its favorite thing to do? What does it dream of? Now open your eyes and take that image that's in your head and put it down on paper. You can use the markers that came inside your kit, or you can grab some colored pencils that you have laying around the house. I just want you to get sketching. And I don't want you to take it too seriously. The picture is not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be a reference point for you to be able to then bring that doll design to life on your doll. The doll is the masterpiece, not the drawing. If you'd like some additional inspiration or some extra sheets to sketch on, no problem. I've included a free download below. Just click the link and enjoy.